This is a CSS tutorial by Bharat Agarwal. Cascading Style Sheet is a style sheet language used for describing the presentation of a document written in HTML. CSS is widely used for making visually engaging web pages and user interfaces. Let's begin with the tutorial by taking a simple example. This is the code for basic HTML page. In this I have title, my title, and a heading tag as CSS tutorial, then a paragraph tag enclosing the paragraph and an image. Save this notepad file with a .html extension. After saving the file, run it on the browser. The output of the code is as shown. Now we will apply CSS to this code. We can do this by three ways. First is by internal styling, second is by external styling, and the third one is inline styling. I will use internal styling in my web page. Internal styling is done in between the head tag. I have to place a style tag and now style my basic HTML page. First, I will style my heading tag. We have predefined properties for heading tag and we can set the values for that. For example, I set the background color by using the background property. I set it as red. I have aligned the text at the center. I have set the font color as white. Save the document and refresh the browser. See, the heading is changed using CSS. Now style the paragraph tag. Set the padding as 25 pixels. Set the font family as sans serif. Set the background Save the file and see the changes in the browser by refreshing the page. Now you can modify the image. This is our image. We can do exciting things using CSS and drop-down image is one of those. I take a division, give it a class as drop-down image and close the division tag. Now I give another division inside the same division and give its class as drop-down image content. Now I will again insert the same image inside it. I can copy it, paste it here. Now I can set the height to 120 pixels and width to 200 pixels. Save the file and refresh it on browser. See, there are two images appearing on the screen. Now using the CSS, style the content of the division. Style the division having the class as drop-down image. Display it in inline block style. Now style the div having the class as drop-down image content. Hide this division unless you hover over the image by setting the display property as none. Then use the hover property and display the image. on hovering. Set the position of the drop-down image content to absolute. Set the position of drop-down image as relative. Save the file and run it on the browser. Hover over the image and see the changes. See, you are able to make a drop-down image. Similarly, you can use this CSS for making visually engaging web pages and various user interfaces. Thank you.